Thunderstorms are on the way right now. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for portions of the KOMU8 viewing area. This includes Moberly, Macon, Salisbury, and Marshall, our northwest counties. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 1 a.m. But relief is coming by the time we go into Sunday and Monday. It will be a little bit cooler, but until then, it is going to be hot, and that's why we have an excessive heat warning for our entire KOMU8 viewing area through Saturday evening, because that heat is going to be sticking around. And if you are headed out for a little bit of that shopping, make sure you grab that umbrella because rain is on the way. Temperatures right now are in the 60s. Right now we're at 68 in Columbia, 64 in Jefferson City, 67 in Herman. And over the last few hours, if you've looked out your window enjoying that cup of coffee, cloud cover is on the increase and showers and thunderstorms have begun to cross the Missouri-Kansas state line. We're going to be seeing that rain pretty shortly here over the next few hours. So here's a look at what I'm watching. Rain is possible anytime after noon today. We do have a flash flood watch that is in effect through Sunday, and then rain chances are going to decrease as we go throughout the day Sunday. Now, coming up in my full forecast in the next few minutes, we'll time those out hour by hour and tell you how much rain you can expect. That's just a few minutes away. Angie, back over to you. And with that severe thunderstorm warning, Kenton, 70-mile-per-hour winds are possible, and half-dollar size hail. That warning is for Camden, Marys, Miller, and Morgan County until 3:30. So we are watching that. And it's also worth noting that after this main line of storms moves through, the tornado watch is being canceled. Let's go ahead and put that up on the screen. Pettis, Saline,
and Saline
have been removed from the tornado watch. So that is great news at this time. So after this line of storms passes through, it looks like the severe weather threat is really diminishing. So that's great news to have right now. Lightning can strike 10 miles any direction out of a storm. So if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to get struck by lightning. So that is something we definitely want to remind you about. When thunder roars, head indoors. And we've seen this line of severe thunderstorm warnings. That's what you're looking at in the screen beside me, and that is moving into the lake area. So we are watching this very closely. We're also continuing to watch a tornado warning that is in effect until 2 p.m. We are under an enhanced risk of severe weather south of I-70. To the north of I-70, a slight risk of severe weather. And as I mentioned, we are watching the potential for flash flooding, strong winds, large hail, and even an isolated tornado. Now, storms will likely develop anytime after 2 o'clock. We could see heavy downpours that could give us just a little bit of flash flooding, wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour, very large hail, and again, an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. We are expecting those storms to form anytime after 2 p.m., and we'll be monitoring it throughout the evening and overnight hours right here on KOMU8 and on our free KOMU8 weather and traffic app. Welcome back to KOMU8 News Today. The total solar eclipse is just weeks away, and cities and towns all across mid-Missouri are getting ready for it. KOMU8's Kenton Jawicki and Tori Stepanek traveled to several different places to see what they've got in store for anybody wanting to watch.